Today, we will show you how to set up the satellite configuration for your fēnix 8 Multi-Sport Series watch. Your watch offers multiple options for setting up satellite connectivity preferences. The first option we will discuss is setting the default satellite configuration. This configuration will be applied to all your outdoor activities. This is set up in the Focus Modes setting option. First, press and hold the up button to open the settings menu. Press the down button to scroll to Watch Settings. Press the Start-Stop button to select it. Scroll down and select Focus Modes. You will see an informational prompt about using focus modes. Scroll down and then select the Start-Stop button. Then scroll down and select Activity. Now select Satellites. Here you can choose between having your satellite configuration set to Off, GPS Only, All Systems, All Plus Multiband, Auto Select, and Ultra Track. Each one of these settings will offer different experiences by either connecting to a specific satellite constellation or offering different periods of time when a waypoint is recorded. The Off setting disables satellite systems for the activity. Selecting GPS Only enables the GPS satellite system. All Systems enables multiple satellite systems. Using multiple satellite systems together offers the potential for increased performance in challenging environments and faster position acquisition than using GPS only. However, using multiple systems can reduce battery life more quickly. Selecting All Plus Multiband enables multiple satellite systems on multiple frequency bands. This provides the potential for more consistent track logs, improved positioning, improved multipath errors, and fewer atmospheric errors when using the watch. When you choose Auto Select, you will enable the watch to use SatIQ technology to dynamically select the best multiband system based on your environment. The Auto Select setting offers superior positioning accuracy while still prioritizing battery life. Selecting Ultra Track records track points and sensor data less frequently. Enabling the Ultra Track feature increases battery life but decreases the quality of recorded activities. You should use the Ultra Track feature for activities that demand longer battery life and require less frequent sensor data. When setting the default satellite configuration, your watch will use the same configuration for all outdoor activities. Once complete, cover the screen with your palm to disable the backlight and return to the watch face. Since there could be times when you want some activities to use a different configuration, you are able to change the configuration for each activity. These changes can extend the battery life and alter the track point drop rate, allowing you to record a longer satellite activity. To set the satellite configuration for an activity, start by pressing the Start-Stop button to open the Activity and Apps list. Then select Activities. Scroll down and select the activity you would like to adjust. Scroll down and select Activity Options. Scroll down and select Satellites. Scroll over the options and select the configuration that you would like to use for this activity. Press the back button to return to the previous screen. Repeat this process to adjust the other default satellite settings for your activities. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.